Hi, you guys. Welcome back. It is August. What the That basically means it's September, it's fall, it's the holidays, it's next year. So we need to wrap up our summer recipes. I'm bringing cold brew coffee to you guys today, which is one of my favorite things on this earth. But you'll notice it's one of the more expensive menu items at your coffee shop. Don't let that fool you into thinking it is not insanely easy to make at home. Let's go. Begin with 1.5 cups of coarsely ground coffee beans to 7 cups cold filtered water, a large jar or container, and a filter. Paper filters are common, but I love these organic cotton mesh straining cloths. They're reusable and a pack of 2 costs under $10. Pour the coffee grinds into the filter bag. Cold brew lowers the acidity and accentuates the notes of the beans you're using, so stick to notes and flavors you like. We go for notes of dark cocoa, caramel, and toasted almonds in our house. Slowly add water to the grounds inside the filter bag and stop when it has the consistency of brownie batter. Then tie the filter tightly, tuck it in, and fill the jar with the remaining water. Steep for 12 to 24 hours with an airtight lid. My favorite flavor and intensity comes from an 18-hour steep. When you remove the filter bag, resist the urge to squeeze the filter and let gravity do the work. Squeezing the coffee grounds will release some bitterness. Your concentrate should have developed a dark and rich color, but it should still have clarity. If it seems muddy, you may have used too fine of a grind. You can totally save it, filter it through cheesecloth until the clarity returns, or every time you're going to drink a glass, run it through a single cup paper filter before you drink it. Definitely save your coffee grounds. We used to reserve all our grounds and give them to a local gardener at the coffee shop I used to work at. Certain plants love acidity. You can also make some healthy DIY face masks and skincare. There's a ton of uses for used coffee grounds. Keep it airtight in the fridge until you're ready to use it. This is a concentrate, so when it's time to serve, cut it with water, even if you plan on adding milk and sugar. I like a strong 50/50 or 3-to-1 ratio, but play around and see what tastes and feels best to you. It is so easy and so delicious to make this at home. I got a bag of my favorite coffee beans for $9.99, reusable filters for $9.99, and I got this giant mason jar from TJ Maxx for like $7. In Los Angeles, a single medium cup of cold brew can cost you $5. So if you live in an expensive area like I do, you're gonna make your money back investing in everything to make this at home within your first few cups of your first batch of cold brew. All right, you guys, that is it. If I seem a little crazy this episode, it's because I've had a lot of this already, but it's so freaking good. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. I post new videos 9 a.m. Pacific time, and I will see you guys next Monday.